Best 3D Printers 2024. Introduced the significance of 3D printing technology and increasing accessibility and affordability of 3D printers for various user groups, including hobbyists, professionals, and businesses. Number 5. Ultimaker RS5. Highlight its large build volume, dual extrusion capabilities, and professional-grade performance, making it suitable for advanced users and professionals. The Ultimaker S5 is a popular choice among users for its reliability and versatility in printing a wide range of materials. It is often considered a reliable and high-quality option for both hobbyists and professionals. The Ultimaker S5 comes with two extruders, labeled AA and BB. The AA core handles most materials, while the BB core is especially designed for printing water-soluble PVA spots. The Ultimaker S5 is the top choice for those seeking a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use 3D printer. Its dual extruders, large build volume, and good print quality make it a popular option among users. However, some users have reported issues with the printer, such as bad adhesive problems and nozzle clogging. Overall, the Ultimaker S5 is a worthy investment for those looking for a professional-grade filament-based 3D printer. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono X. Discuss its high-resolution printing capabilities, monochrome LCD, and UV cooling system, making it a top choice for resin-based 3D printing. The Anycubic Photon Mono X is a larger resin 3D printer with an 8.9-inch 4K monochrome screen UV LCD. It offers a printing size of 7.55 inches by 4.72 inches by 9.84 inches and is equipped with Wi-Fi control and matrix UV LED light source. The printer has received mixed reviews, with some users expressing satisfaction with its performance for large prints like bus and scenery, while others have criticized its limitation for finer detail and smaller models. Additionally, there are videos on YouTube providing reviews and updates on the printer's performance after extended use. If you're considering purchasing the Anycubic Photon Mono X, it is advisable to thoroughly research and consider the specific requirements of your 3D printing projects. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro. Emphasize its status as the best budget 3D printer for DIYs, making it an attractive option for those looking for affordability and customization. The Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro is a 3D printer that has garnered attention for its features and performance. It is the part of the Ender series, known for its affordability and ease of use. The printer comes pre-assembled, making the setup process straightforward, and it supports various filament types, including PLA, ABS, wood, TPU, PETG, and PA. The Ender 3 S1 Pro has received positive feedback for its print quality and new features, such as a coated spring steel bed and a filament runout sensor. Additionally, it has been praised for its ability to print high-temperature materials like polycarbonate, provided that an enclosure is used to trap the heat inside. The printer's design is similar to the Ender 3 V2, and it offers a build volume of 220 by 220 by 270 mm. It has been described as an excellent option for beginners and experienced creators alike, serving as a gateway for those looking to venture into 3D printing. The Ender 3 S1 Pro has been commended for its user-friendly nature and the inclusion of Creality Slicer software, which simplifies the printing process. Number 2. Original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus has received positive reviews for its print quality, ease of use, and attention to detail. It is considered one of the best 3D printers in its price category, offering outstanding print quality and great usability. The printer is a part of the Prusa i3 line, known for its reliability, comprehensive customer support, and open-source philosophy. The MK3S Plus features an 8-bit IC Rambo board with TMC2130 silent stepper motor drivers, allowing for sensorless XY homing, live ZX adjustment, power panic function, and silent operation with an even quieter stealth mode. It is available in DIY self-assembly kit or a fully assembled version. The printer is equipped with an in-house developed direct drive extruder with Bondtech dual gear filament fitting and E3D V6 hot end. It includes a magnetic heat bed with removable PEI spring steel sheets and a power supply of 240 watts. The printer comes with a full spool of silver PLA material and a metal part scraper, a glue stick for adhesion, an isopropyl alcohol wipe, lubricant for the liner rails, power and USB cables, a sheet of stickers, a printed handbook, and a diagnostic printout confirming the functionality of the mechanical and electrical systems. The Prius i3 MK3S Plus is known for its modern advancements and innovative features, making it a top contender in the prosumer 3D printer market. Despite its higher price point, it is considered a worthwhile investment for beginners, amateurs, and experts alike. The printer's solid support and development have contributed to its reputation as a benchmark for hobbyist printers. Overall, the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is highly regarded for its print quality, user experience, and attention to detail, making it a compelling choice for 3D printing enthusiasts seeking a reliable and versatile printer. Number 1. Bamboo Lab P1P. The Bamboo Lab P1P 3D printer has garnered attention for its speed, build quality, and affordability. It is described as a fast and reliable printer suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. The printer's build volume is 256 by 256 by 256 mm, and it supports various materials such as PLA, TPU, ABS, and PC, with a nozzle temperature of up to 300 Celsius. The P1P features a direct drive extruder, automatic bed leveling, and a filament runout sensor, enhancing its user-friendly nature. Additionally, it is compatible with Bamboo Labs Automatic Material System (AMS), allowing for multicolor printing with up to 16 filaments into one print. Reviewers has praised the P1P for its fast print speeds, excellent print quality, and customizable features. However, some concerns have been raised about the printer's lack of enclosure, noisy print fans, and limited display. The LCD screen and Wi-Fi connectivity have also been identified as areas of improvement. Despite these drawbacks, the P1P is recognized for its competitive pricing and the ability to deliver impressive results. The Bamboo Lab P1P has been compared to the X1 Carbon, with both printers being lauded for their speed and print quality. The P1P is positioned as a more accessible and affordable option, making it an attractive choice for users seeking a balance between performance and cost-effectiveness. In summary, the Bamboo Lab P1P offers a compelling combination of speed, print quality, and affordability, making it a viable option for individuals looking for a reliable 3D printer with advanced features such as multicolor printing capabilities. Key features and considerations. Print quality. Discuss the importance of print quality, resolution, and accuracy for different applications such as prototyping, hobbyist, projects, and professional use. Ease of use. Highlight the significance of user-friendly features such as setup, calibration, and maintenance, especially for beginners and home users. Connectivity and interface. Discuss the relevance of connectivity options, interface usability, and compatibility with various operating systems and software. Comparison and recommendations. Compare the top 5 3D printers based on their features, print quality, build volume, and overall value for different user needs, such as home use, education, prototyping, and small-scale production. Provide recommendations based on specific user requirements and budgets. Future trends and considerations. Discuss emerging trends in 3D printing technology, such as high-resolution 3D printers, and sustainability aspects, to provide insights into the evolving landscape of 3D printing. Conclusion. Summarize the key points discussed in the review, provide recommendations based on specific user needs, and emphasize the importance of informed decision-making when choosing the best 3D printers for 2024. By incorporating the information from the provided sources and considering the latest trends and user needs, this review script can offer valuable insights for viewers seeking the best 3D printer for their specific requirements.